If you are a student and you are not using ChatGPT for studying, you are making school harder than it needs to be. So in the next few minutes, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to understand topics, summarize notes, and prepare for exam faster, even if you never used ChatGPT before.
Alright, so one of the biggest problems students face is reading something and not understanding it. Instead of reading the same page over and over again, you can let ChatGPT explain it to you in a simple terms. Okay, let's use this prompt as example. Alright, so this is what I wrote. Explain physics in simple terms as if you are teaching a beginner. So this simply means that it's going to explain physics to me as if I'm a beginner, right? So I have to click on the search button to see the answer it will give us. Now, if you look closely, you will find out that it detailed everything down, right? It started from what is physics and give me all the details I need, just like I requested, right? Now, for example, if you are studying biology, chemistry, economics, or any hard subject, just paste the topic here and ChatGPT will break it down in plain English. And trust me, this is a lifesaver when your textbook explanation makes no sense. So let's head to number 2, how to make a study note from scratch using ChatGPT. If you don't even have notes, you can ask ChatGPT to create them for you. Now let's use this prompt as example. Now this is what I wrote. Create simple study notes on biology for a student, right? This simply means that it will create a note for me on biology, right? So we are going to click on the search button to see the answer it will give us. This is great when you miss a class or don't fully understand what was taught. And mind you, this prompt works on every subject, right? Whether English, maths, science, biology, name it, it works on all, right? All you have to do is just to get your prompt well. Once your prompt is well written, it will definitely give you the answer you are looking for. So heading to number 3, summarizing long notes. Now, another powerful way students use ChatGPT is to summarize long notes and chapters. And I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to show you the prompt you can use to do that, right? So here is the prompt you can use to summarize long notes, right? So let's read it out. I said summarize this note into a clear bullet point, right? And this is bracket. Now if you look closely to these brackets, you will see where I wrote paste your notes. So this is where you are going to paste the note you want it to summarize for you, right? And okay, let me search it so that you can see the answer it will give you. Okay, now if you look closely, you see the answer it gave me. It said, sure, please paste your notes here and I will summarize them into a clear, easy to read bullet point for you, right? So I got this answer because I didn't add any notes, right? So in that bracket, if you add your note with this prompt, it will summarize everything for you and give you the answer you are looking for. So now, number 4, preparing for exam. When it's time to prepare for exam, ChatGPT becomes your personal tutor. Now let me show you an example of what I mean by personal tutor, right? Now this is what I wrote. Create 10 practice questions and answers on economics to help me prepare for an exam. So this simply means that it asks me about 10 questions and still give me the answer, right, to those 10 questions. You can even ask it to increase the difficulty if you want a challenge, right? This is one of the fastest ways to test yourself without searching all over the internet. So now, if you look closely, this is the question. Define opportunity cost, and this is the answer right here, right? So as a student, you can use this particular prompt to study for your exams or text, right? You can use it to enlighten yourself more, right? So it's going to ask you a question and still give you the answer. So that way, you will be able to learn fast without searching all over the internet. Heading to number 5, let's talk about assignments. And no, ChatGPT is not for cheating. It's for helping you structure your work properly, right? So let's take this for example. Now this is what I wrote. Create an outline for an essay on computer science in modern education. Now the truth is that once you have the outline, you can expand each point in your own words, right? So number 6, explaining question you don't understand. If you ever see a question and you don't even know what it's asking, paste it into ChatGPT and let ChatGPT do the work for you. So for example, I'm going to use this prompt as a case study here, right? And this is what I write. I said, explain this question in simple terms. What is the law of supply and demand? And if you remember, the last prompt we used, it was the one asking the question and also giving the answers. But this particular prompt, I'm the one asking the question and it's giving me the answer. And it's giving me simple explanations so that I can be able to understand it. And one thing I like about ChatGPT is that if you don't like the answer it gave you, right, you can just tell it to make it more better or make it simpler, right? That way it will rewrite everything, or the answer it gave you, it will rewrite it in another form. Now number 7, creating study timetables. You can also use ChatGPT to plan your study time. Now let's take this for example, right? Now this is what I wrote. Create a 7 days timetable for this subject, business administration. Now this is the subject I want him to create the timetable on. It is called business administration, right? And I want it on 7 days. This is perfect if you feel overwhelmed and don't know where to start. Like I always said, the more you use ChatGPT, the smarter it becomes, right? So look at the question it asked me. He said, I need to clarify. Are you preparing for exam, assignment, or just general learning, right? So in this case, I'm going to answer with exam. I'm preparing for exam, right? So, and with this answer, it's going to know the type of timetable it's going to give me, right? So I replied with exam, and this is the timetable he gave me based on my reply on exam. And also, quick one, ChatGPT is a tool, not a replacement for your brain. Always review what it gives you and make sure it matches what you were taught. When you use it properly, it makes your work easier, not lazy. So if this video helped you, like the video so more students can see it. Also subscribe if you want more simple tutorials on how to use ChatGPT for school, work, and daily life. And comment student below if you want me to make more videos just for students.